Come test drive the 2015 Mercedes M-Class. Top-rated safety runs in the family. It is something we never take for granted. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless go, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.